We will see the working of SGOT test. The kit is by Biolab Diagnostics. The kit contains one bottle of R1 and one bottle of R2. Apart from this, you will require some components like clean and well calibrated pipettes, yellow and blue tips, tubes, and instructions for use. Now, before performing the test, let us have a look at the preparation of working solution. It is prepared by mixing 4 volumes of R1 with 1 volume of R2. Mix it gently and the reagent is ready to use. Now to prepare a working solution of 500 microliters, use 400 microliters of R1 and 100 microliters of R2. Do not mix or sample at this stage. We will mix it at the time of aspiration. Set the factor of 1768. As you can see, there is one test tube marked as T. Use 400 microliters for R1. Now use a different pipette of 100 microliters for R2. The total volume of the working reagent will be 500 microliters as mentioned earlier. Mix it gently. Do not mix the sample at this stage. We will mix it at the time of aspiration. Program SGOT on a semi-automatic biochemistry analyzer. As you can see, we have already done that. Filter is 340 as mentioned in the literature. Run test. Then select SGOT. As you can see, aspirate water. Remove the tube. And once this is done, use 50 microliters of sample since our working reagent was 500 microliters. Once you mix this in the tube, aspirate it immediately. There is no need to wait. Mix it thoroughly and aspirate immediately. After a delay time of 60 seconds, there will be a reading time of 120 seconds. In this case, the initial absorbance is as per the specification given by the manufacturer, hence it can be concluded that the reagent is working fine. Now we will get the result, which is 62.94. For expected values, please refer to the literature. Here you can see the inverse graph as mentioned in the literature. Thank you.